Hello friends, how you doing? Pretty good? Great! Guess where I am right now? I'm here! The architecture of Kuala Lumpur is a blend of old colonial influence, Asian traditions, Malay, Islamic inspirations, and modern and post-modern mixed. Being a relatively young city, most of Kuala Lumpur's colonial buildings were built toward the end of 19th and early 20th century. These buildings have neo-Gothic or Spanish-style architecture. Most of the styling have been modified to cater to use local resources and are acclimated to the local climate, which is hot and humid all year round. The Malaysia's Kuala Lumpur weather condition is sunny and most cloudy. Sunny in the morning and suddenly raining in the evening. This hotel is surrounded by lush greenery. This hotel is with the views provided the scenery seems beautiful. The KL Asian cities are top city ranking 2019, with the Malaysian capital Kuala Lumpur coming in second behind Taipei. In the global list, Taipei is number one, and Kuala Lumpur's Ho Chi Minh City and Singapore were on first to fourth places respectively. The quality of urban life, getting settled, urban work life, finance, housing, the local cost of living. With its second place, Kuala Lumpur finally makes it into the global top 3 after consistently ranking among the top 10 cities in the past few years. Malaysia is a diverse country. Its geographical location, historical migration has significantly influenced the culture and society of the country. Malaysia is home to many ethnic groups and individuals from different cultural backgrounds. The bustling country attracted visitors and immigrants over the years for its uniqueness and economic stability. This hotel is 30 minutes south of Kuala Lumpur, 15 minutes away from the KL International Airport. This set indicated Dorian's disgusting smell. Some people regard the durians as having a pleasantly sweet fragrance, whereas others, including me, finding the aroma overpowering with an unpleasant odor. The smell evokes the reaction from deep appreciation to intense disgust, and has been described variously as rooting onions and raw sausages. I will contact you as soon as I arrive at airport. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.